Welcome back to HouseLux Estate, the go-to channel for all things tech and automation. Today, we're diving headfirst into the process of choosing the right AI tool for automating data entry tasks. It's no secret that automation has become a significant driving force in the ever-evolving tech world. From reducing human error to saving valuable time, automation in data entry is transforming the way businesses operate, one keystroke at a time. But how do we navigate this vast sea of AI tools? How do we know which one is the perfect fit for our needs? Well, that's exactly what we're here to discuss. Today, we'll walk you through the process of selecting an AI tool that's not just efficient, but also tailored to your specific requirements. From understanding your needs to implementing the chosen tool, we've got you covered. So sit back, relax, and stay tuned as we unpack the steps to selecting the right AI tool for your needs. The first step in the journey to automation is understanding your specific needs. When we talk about data entry tasks, it's not a one-size-fits-all scenario. There's a wide range of tasks that fall under this umbrella, each with its own intricacies and demands. We're talking about everything from simple manual input of data into a database to the more complex tasks such as transcribing audio files, processing invoices, or even managing customer data. Now, the magic of artificial intelligence is that it can be tailored to handle these varying tasks. However, the key to choosing the right AI tool lies in defining the specific problem you're trying to solve. Do you want to increase the speed of data input? Or perhaps you're looking to reduce human error. Maybe you need a tool that can handle a high volume of data, or one that can process and interpret complex data sets. The answers to these questions will guide you in your search for the perfect AI tool. For instance, if speed is your main concern, you might want to look into optical character recognition tools, which can quickly scan and input data from physical documents. On the other hand, if you're dealing with complex data sets, a machine learning algorithm might be more suitable as it can learn and adapt to patterns within the data. But it's not just about the task at hand, it's also about the scale of your operation. A small startup might have different needs and resources compared to a large corporation. You need to consider the size of your data sets, the frequency of data entry tasks, and even your budget. Remember, the goal is not just to automate for the sake of automation. It's about finding a solution that will streamline your operations, increase efficiency, and ultimately add value to your business. Once you've identified your needs, it's time to explore the AI tools available in the market. There's a diverse range of AI tools out there, each with its unique features and capabilities. Now, when exploring AI tools for automating data entry tasks, there are a number of key features you need to consider. First and foremost, you want an AI tool that provides a high degree of accuracy. After all, the whole point of automating data entry is to eliminate human error. So you need a tool that can consistently and accurately input data. Next, consider scalability. As your business grows, your data entry needs will likely grow as well. You don't want to be stuck with a tool that can't keep up with your expanding operations. Look for an AI tool that can handle an increasing volume of data and tasks without compromising on performance. Then there's ease of use. Not everyone on your team will be a tech wizard, and you don't want to spend a ton of time and resources on training. A user-friendly AI tool that's intuitive to use can save you a lot of headaches. Look for a tool with a clear, simple interface and good customer support. Another important feature to consider is integration capabilities. Your AI tool should be able to work seamlessly with your existing systems. Whether it's your CRM, your ERP, or your accounting software, a good AI tool should be able to integrate smoothly and communicate effectively with these systems. Finally, don't forget about security. Your data is a valuable asset and you want to ensure it's well protected. Look for an AI tool with robust security features, such as data encryption and access controls. When you're exploring AI tools, don't hesitate to take advantage of free trials and demos. These can give you a feel for the tool's capabilities and allow you to see if it's a good fit for your needs. Remember, the best AI tool is one that aligns with your needs and integrates seamlessly with your existing systems. It's not enough to just identify potential AI tools, it's crucial to evaluate them. Consider your journey into the world of AI tools as a quest. You're not merely seeking the first tool you stumble upon, but the one that will best fit your needs, amplify your efficiency, and ultimately become a worthy ally in your data entry tasks. So, how do you evaluate AI tools? Well, there are 3 primary steps to this process: conducting a trial run, checking customer reviews, and considering the cost. Let's start with the trial run. Most AI tool providers offer a trial period, a golden opportunity for you to test out the tool before making a commitment. This hands-on experience will give you a real sense of the tool's capabilities and potential shortcomings. You can see firsthand how well it integrates with your existing systems, how user-friendly it is, and if it can indeed automate your data entry tasks with the precision and accuracy you require. Next, we have customer reviews. In today's digital age, the power of customer feedback is phenomenal. It provides insight into the experiences of others who have used the tool, their triumphs, and their challenges. Look for patterns in reviews. If the majority herald the tool's efficiency and reliability, that's a good sign. On the other hand, multiple mentions of the same issue could signal a red flag. Lastly, there's the cost. Budget is often a decisive factor in any business decision, and choosing an AI tool is no exception. However, it's important not to let the price tag dictate your choice entirely. Remember, we're looking for value here. A cheaper tool might save you money up front, but could cost more in the long run if it doesn't meet your needs or requires frequent troubleshooting. Conversely, a more expensive tool might seem like a big investment, but if it delivers superior performance and saves you time, it could prove to be a cost-effective choice. By evaluating your options, you ensure that you choose an AI tool that delivers the best value for your investment. Remember, the goal is to find a tool that is not just a good fit for today, but one that will continue to serve you well as your data entry needs evolve. Choosing the AI tool is only half the battle. The next step is implementation. Now let's dive into the process of implementing AI tools, a journey that takes us from training the tool to monitoring its performance. The first step in the implementation process is training your AI tool. This is where you feed your AI with data relevant to your tasks. It's like teaching a toddler how to talk. You start with simple words, then gradually move on to sentences, and eventually conversations. Similarly, you start with basic data entry tasks, then progressively move on to more complex tasks. The more data you feed your AI, the smarter it gets. This process can take anywhere from a few weeks to a few months, depending on the complexity of your tasks. Once your AI tool is trained, it's time to integrate it into your system. This might involve setting up APIs, creating user interfaces, and making sure the tool is compatible with your existing software. This is a critical phase as it ensures seamless interaction between your AI tool and your existing system. It's like introducing a new member into the family. Everyone needs to understand each other's roles and functions for harmony to prevail. Now, with your AI tool fully integrated, it's time to let it loose. But remember, just like a new car, it might need a few test drives before it runs smoothly. You should expect a few bumps along the way, and that's perfectly normal. It's all part of the learning curve. Once your AI tool is up and running, it's all about continuous monitoring and adjustments to ensure optimal performance. Just like a car needs regular servicing, your AI tool needs constant fine-tuning. You'll need to keep an eye on its performance, make necessary adjustments, and provide additional training if needed. It's a continuous process of learning, adjusting, and improving. So there you have it. Implementing an AI tool is not a one-off task. It's an ongoing process that requires patience, dedication, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Always remember, the goal is not just to automate tasks, but to automate them efficiently and effectively. Once your AI tool is up and running, it's all about continuous monitoring and adjustments to ensure optimal performance. Choosing the right AI tool for automating data entry tasks can seem daunting, but with the right approach, it can be a straightforward process. Let's quickly recap. We started with understanding your specific needs, which serves as the foundation for the entire process. We then explored the vast landscape of AI tools available, highlighting the importance of features, compatibility, and ease of use. Our journey then took us to the crucial step of evaluating these AI tools, where we emphasized the need for trials, reviews, and comparing different solutions. Finally, we discussed implementing your chosen AI tool, a stage that requires careful planning and execution to ensure seamless integration into your existing systems. Remember, the goal is to enhance productivity and efficiency, so choose wisely and do not rush the process. Thank you for joining us on this journey through AI and automation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to House Lux Estate for more insightful content. Until next time.